All right, guys, check out how cool this hiking tactical hydration water bladder backpack is. Now, this has so many different pockets and pieces and straps. This is so cool. This is everything every guy looks for. I love how heavy duty it is, first off, but it's also super comfortable and it's breathable. The straps are also like a mesh type, but also reinforced material. So it's heavy duty. It's flexible, but it's breathable, because the worst part about backpacking is when you get all sweaty from having to wear the backpack and it's uncomfortable. So this is super comfortable, very heavy duty, great padding on the back. I mean, this is some thick, breathable padding on there. This is really nice. Now, for accessing where the water bladder goes, you can unbuckle the main buckle there, lift this up. Now, the cool thing is this whole bladder is super easy to fill up. You can just open it up like that, fill it up, and then you just fold it. And now it has this ability to just slide it right on to this other bar that you can put into the backpack. And just like that, you now have your water bladder secured on there. And so you don't have to worry about it leaking out. And then it also has this plug and play ability so that you can just click and take out the whole strand, the whole straw of the water bladder. This allows for easy drying. And I love that click. That means you are nice and secure. Press of a button right here and to release it. And it's that easy. Makes it easy to dry it afterwards, dry both pieces, and to clean it. So the plug and play is a really nice feature. And then from there, you can just run it through the side and then right up through there, just like that. From here, where the water bladder is, right to here. And then you can have it going down the strap, and so that it can be just right there, easily accessible. I love that it has the cover, and then you can also just pull it to be able to open it up, the valve, and then to be able to drink it from there and just reclose it and keep it nice and clean, so you're not getting dirt and dust while you're hiking on your mouthpiece. So that's the water bladder. And then besides that, again, there are so many pockets on here. This is crazy. So here's the bottom half of the bag. You have this nice zipper here, really strong double zipper, along with all of these hooks and loops on the front. Then on the inside, check this out. You've got compartmentalized areas in here. You have then a zipper mesh part on this other side, let alone this whole big space that expands as well. And then on the front of the straps, then this also has pouches on here to be able to hold additional items. Your phone, your keys, maybe another little drink, a little energy shot, whatever it might be. But I mean, and the comfortability of this is amazing. I also love that it has two straps. So you got your buckle there, tighten it. And then you also have the waist one here, and you're able to also adjust this. And the great thing is too, it has this little piece to where this can be right at the very end, so you don't have all these loose straps dangling. It is now secured. I've had backpacks before where you just have all these straps just dangling throughout the hike, just banging against you, but you have these nice straps that keep them all secured. So that is a really nice function, just like that. And now they don't move around. They are secure. You don't have these flaps moving everywhere. So this is an amazing backpack. I love the way it feels. I love the functionality of it. And I love how many different pockets there are to it. And the water bladder is a really nice bonus too. I didn't secure this in here, but it's nice to be able to just put it inside the zipper here, and it's all good to go. Highly, highly recommend this tactical bag. Thanks to the brand for providing it for me.